Hi everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks, and I just wanted to do a quick tutorial video because some of you were expressing that you were having issues trying to find us on our Amazon store. So I really quickly just wanted to do a quick video showing you how to find us on Amazon. And I was able to troubleshoot this and figure out what the issue is. But basically when you type in, I'm just at Amazon.com, if you type in JJArtworks Studios like this, and you click enter, you're not going to be able to find our page or any of our products if you try doing it that method. And for some reason, when you type in JJArtworks Studios, Amazon puts a space between JJ and Artworks, but actually it should be JJArtworks one word. So that's basically the main issue, but I promise you all of our products are on Amazon. So when you go down here, it says showing results for JJArtworks Studios, and then it says search instead for JJArtworks Studios, and JJArtworks is one word. If you click on that, you will then be able to see all of our products, and it shows up as JJArtworks Studios, and the JJArtworks is one word. So that's basically what's going on here, and you'll be able to find our brushes, our gaming minis, our paint jars, our paint bottles. We have actually 30 products on Amazon right now, so we've been really busy and diligent behind the scenes. You can also just type in JJArtworks one word like this and click enter, and you're gonna get the same results. You're not gonna see anything if you do that, but then if you just click search instead for JJArtworks right here, you click on that link, then you will see all of our products listed like that, and you'll be able to click on things, and you'll be able to buy things and all that stuff. So just wanted to give you a quick update. We are in the process of creating our own JJArtworks brand registry page on Amazon. If you don't know what a brand registry page is, it's basically a dedicated storefront just for our brand. And it just takes a while to get approved by Amazon for that. So we are in the process of doing that. But once we get approved, then that will make things a lot easier when it comes to searching us on Amazon. So hopefully that answers your question. Thank you so much for tuning in. We truly appreciate it. Thank you for your love and support for everyone that's already purchased some of our paints and our brushes and our gaming miniatures. This is kind of a big push for us as a company, and we truly appreciate the love and support. Have a great one and stay creative out there, you guys. Talk to you soon.